In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set notifications in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a team or just wanting to keep tabs on your own projects, notifications are a great way to stay informed and organized. So let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step of the process with ease. To begin, you'll want to open up Hubstaff and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you've done that, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Simply click on that profile icon. This is your gateway to personalizing how Hubstaff interacts with you, and clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options you can explore at your convenience. Within this drop-down menu, the next thing you want to focus on is the user settings and billing option. Go ahead and click on that. This particular area of the site holds all the essential tools you need to customize your Hubstaff experience, including billing information and, of course, the much sought after notification settings, which we'll focus on today. After selecting user settings and billing, you'll see several tabs introduced to you. The one you want to head towards is notifications. Click on the notifications tab to open it. It's as simple as that. This section is exclusively dedicated to controlling what kind of updates you receive from Hubstaff, and it gives you the control to tailor notifications according to your personal or professional needs. Now that you're within the notifications section, this is where you can get creative and selective about which notifications are really meaningful for you. Here, you have the power to enable all notifications if you want to stay fully updated. But if you prefer to keep things tidy and specific, you can toggle individual notifications on and off with ease. It's all about what aligns best with your workflow and ensures you're getting the right information exactly when you need it. Before finishing up, a quick piece of advice. Consider what kind of notifications you usually find helpful. Do you need project updates, time reminders, or certain alerts that keep you on top of tasks? Tailoring these settings not only streamlines how you manage information, but also can increase your productivity by reducing unwanted distractions. Customize it to match your style, and remember you can always come back to tweak these settings as your needs evolve over time. And that wraps it up. You've successfully learned how to set notifications in Hubstaff to suit your needs. With these few simple steps, you're now more equipped to maintain clear communication and organization within the platform. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching. Until next time, happy